Hi, my name is Christie Fram and I'm an attorney here at the Nieves Law Firm. And today I'm going to be discussing with you, what does a felony prevent you from doing? To begin, a felony is a more serious crime than a misdemeanor, and it's typically punishable by imprisonment for over 1 year. Now, there are several things that having a felony on your record can prevent you from doing, including, but not limited to, owning and possessing a firearm, participating in civic duties, such as voting or serving on a jury, preventing you from accessing housing, accessing preferred employment opportunities, and even preventing you from obtaining a professional license if you are seeking one. Anyone that is convicted of a felony is prohibited from purchasing or possessing a firearm. And this is a life ban, and it does not matter what type of felony you were convicted of. Just the fact that you were convicted of a felony is enough to lose your gun rights. In California, convicted felons also lose their right to vote while they're incarcerated, and this is whether they're in state prison or federal prison. In addition to that, in California, a convicted felon that is on parole, that is currently incarcerated, or someone that is required to register as a sex offender is not allowed to serve on a jury nor run for public office. Another thing that a felony on your record can prevent you from doing is seeking public housing. A lot of people will get denied for having a felony on their record if they apply for public housing. And in addition to that, if an individual is applying to rent a home from a landlord, a private landlord, that landlord may very well run a background check and refuse to rent to this individual for the sole fact that there is a felony on his record. Now I want to touch on employment opportunities. Having a felony on your record can really create a hurdle and prevent you from seeking great employment opportunities. There are situations where convicted felons will apply to a job, they'll receive an offer, and then the employer will run a detailed background check. Now the employer is aware that this individual was convicted of a felony and they rescind that offer. Last but not least, I want to talk about professional licenses. Having a felony on your record can prevent you from obtaining that professional license that you've worked so hard towards. And the reason being is that there are some licensing boards as well as agencies that will use that felony that is on your record to determine your integrity. And they use it in a way that then disqualifies you from being eligible to obtain this professional license. Now, under California law, a felony is going to stay on your record permanently. However, there are different avenues to kind of clean up your record, and there are ways to get the felony dismissed, get it reduced to a misdemeanor, or even get it pardoned by the governor. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our firm. We'd be happy to help.